everybody loves hot wings, but you know, chicken in any form is delicious when you pair it with buffalo sauce. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make a chicken sandwich and make buffalo sauce using Frank's Red Hot Original and make a delicious buffalo chicken sandwich. The first thing that you want to do is take a chicken breast and a meat tenderizer and just kind of break that down a little bit, and it's going to flatten it out. And I took one chicken breast and actually made 2 pieces. Next, you're going to take about a cup of flour, half a teaspoon of salt, about a teaspoon of paprika, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, and half a teaspoon of black pepper, and put that in a bowl and take a whisk or a fork and just give it a little mix. Now to make an egg wash to dip the chicken in, crack 1 large egg in a bowl and add about 1/4 cup of milk. Take a fork or a whisk and beat the egg and mix that up well. You're going to dip the chicken in that egg wash so that the flour, you're getting ready to dredge it in some flour, that it'll stick to it good. Go ahead now and dip that in your flour and spice mixture and flip it around a few times and make sure that it gets coated all over. This is going to give you a good crispy breading on the outside of the chicken. So I've got some canola oil and a skillet up to about 350 degrees. You want to cook this at a pretty high temperature. Go ahead and cook the chicken for a few minutes on each side. When it starts getting brown, you want to go ahead and flip it. You want to get this chicken to 165 degrees internally. And then just take that out and put it on a cooling rack. Now let's assemble our buffalo sauce. So on a saucepan on low heat, you want to add 1/4 cup of butter. I used unsalted butter, by the way. Half a cup of the Frank's Original Red Hot sauce. About 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. A little dash of Worcestershire sauce, just a splash of white distilled vinegar, and a splash of Tabasco sauce. Now you want to just heat this again on low heat. Let the butter melt, just let everything mix together. You can give it a little mix as it melts. You don't want to get it too hot. Once that's all melted, just go ahead and take that off and put it in a bowl. And you want to take your chicken, put it in that, and flip this around a few times and let it soak up some of that buffalo sauce, and put that back on the cooling rack. Now we're going to put our sandwich together. I used a tomato and a little bit of lettuce. Now goes on the chicken, and I'm going to top mine off with a little bit of ranch. Use either ranch or blue cheese, your favorite dressing. And there you have it. There's a buffalo chicken sandwich.